All right, we're at another job. A pool cage repair, rescreen. We got the metals, white metals here. We got everything done already. We gotta fix this wall and the other wall over there. Let's fix that wall right there. We gotta rescreen all that. Take all these, rip it out, rescreen. We gotta fix that door over there. Fix that wall and put a door. Fix all this. It's gonna be nice. We got the wall put back together here. We got the door, working on the door, putting the 2x2 up here. The guys got a little bit of screen up. We got that line right here. He's on the second line. It's coming together. All right, we're here working on the screen. You see how this is all running across? There's one screen they put all the way across. The way we do it, we do square by square. You see how that goes across? That's no good in my book. This is how we do it. We do square by square. Why that's no good? Because if this one rips on you, you see how it's all silver? It's this old screen. Guess what? You now have to change 1, 2, 3 screens because they just threw one over it. Where we do each one separately. That way, if this screen rips, you only change this one. That screen rips, you have to change all of them. So check with whoever's putting your screen on. Make sure that they're doing it the way we do it, which is screen per screen. Instead of just doing one row, it's quicker. Sometimes they're cheaper too, but it's no good. It's no good. You end up paying more in the long run. This is what you want. That's what you don't want. that one's good. That's good. Let's drop him up. Oh, I just lower that one down. Okay, another job complete. We fixed that. We rescreened the whole thing. Fixed the wall over there. Did a nice little repair. Sorry, I want to get the last little show on what we did. If you don't mind. All right, thank you so much, sir. Have a good one. Have a good weekend. You too. All right, time to go home. ¿Estás comiendo otra vez, man?